Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic endospore forming bacteria. Content Introduction Endospore forming bacteria Location and size Structure Sporulation Germination Demonstration Introduction. You can observe here in diagram the structure of endospore bacteria. Endospore are round, oval, thick-walled, highly metabolically inert resistant structure. Spores are not obligatory part of the bacterial life cycle. Endospore formation is a mechanism of survival rather than a mechanism of reproduction. Endospore exhibit no sign of life, being described as cryptobiotics. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. You can observe the structure of endospore and vegetative cell. They form by a specific group of bacteria. They are dormant structure. They form under unfavorable condition. They develop within vegetative bacterial cell. Endospore aids survival of bacteria under unfavorable condition, highly resistant to harsh environment. Endospore forming bacteria, many gram-positive and a few gram-negative bacteria are capable of forming endospore. For example, Bacillus or some form of cocci. Location and size you can observe in diagram. Some are round, oval and cylindrical. Usually smooth-walled and ovate in shape, but some are spherical and have ridges on walls. Diameter of spores may be similar or more or less than the vegetative structure or vegetative cell. Position in mother cell called sporangium. Differ among bacterial species. They may be central, terminal, subterminal, etc. Endospore position you can observe here in this diagram. Spherical center, oval center, oval subterminal, oval subterminal or spherical subterminal, oval terminal. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. You can observe here the structure of endospore bacteria, coat, outer membrane, cortex, germ cell wall, inner membrane and core. Innermost area of the spore is the spore protoplasm or spore core. They consist of a single copy of chromosome, ribosome, transfer RNA, protein and enzymes. A unique chemical structure or acid. Inner membrane have germinant receptors. Cortex made up of peptidoglycan. Spore coat have protein layer and exosporium not in all bacteria. You can observe here in diagram DNA, ribosome, cortex, inner coat, outer coat, exosporium, core wall, inner membrane, code containing cell genome. Small acid-soluble binding proteins are present in the structure of endospore bacteria. Formation of spore you can observe in diagram. Cell wall, cytoplasmic membrane. Process of formation of endospore is called sporulation or sporogenesis. So sporulation generally takes around 15 hours. First the DNA replicates and the condenses into an axial filament which move toward one of the pole of the bacterial cell, and then the separation of genetic material in a cell. You can observe here how the genetic material is divided, and then cell divide into two parts. Cell division occur, you can observe here cell wall, cell division, free spores, and how they divide and separate from each other. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our video, and if you have any question you can ask us in comment section, and if you want to discuss any point related to our topic you can discuss us with in comment section. Germination you can observe here in diagram. Under favorable environmental condition and a suitable growth medium, a spore germinates to become a vegetative cell. Again, there are three stages in spore germination. Number one is activation. In this, spore prepare for germination and usually result from heating, and after activation the next step is germination. Break their dormancy, swelling, rupture spore coat, increase metabolic activity, and the third one is outgrowth. In this stage, protoplasm make new component, development of a new active bacterium. Spore germination, you can observe here in diagram activation process, germination process, and outgrowth process. Demonstration of spores. Spores are normally impervious to stains. Under the light microscope, endospores have a high light in activity of high protein coat. Selective spore stain can enhance the spore structure, and more detailed structure are revealed by studied under the electron microscope. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Thanks to visit our channel. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.